Hello, humans. Today's video is going to be showing you guys my notification sounds for the HMD vibe. Two disclaimers. Number one, my apologies if you can hear me recording in the dark, or see me recording in the dark, rather. It's possibly around 7 a.m. the way I'm recording, so by the time you catch this upload, I probably would have been uploading around, not uploading, but like recording around 7 o'clock or 8 o'clock, one or the other. Number two, as you can tell by the background, my roosters are crowing, so my apologies if you can hear that. So yeah, my apologies about the background. There's nothing I can do about it. So yeah. Anyways, enough of me wasting my time or wasting your guys' time with my yapping. Let's hear those notification sounds, shall we? And that, my friends, is all of the notification sounds for the HMD vibe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments and let me know which one is your favorite. Um, yeah. If you like what you see, then by all means, make sure you leave a like, leave a comment. Like I said, let me know what's your favorite. Consider subscribing. And don't forget to breathe in that sweet, sweet oxygen. And I'll catch you guys in the time of the upload. Peace.